Hey guys, so this is my 2009, I think, Raptor 700 chassis swapped on a FZ09 or MT09 engine. Everything is OEM except this middle section. So for a while I wanted to put a steering damper, but the prices of those steering dampers on the market are just ridiculous. So I put one on my previous bike, which has an FZ07 or an MT07 engine, based on a Raptor 700 chassis, and it worked phenomenally. But I wanted to add this one because it's a little bit cheaper to do it this way. So all what you need is basically an Amazon special steering damper. And I recommend this brand or this shape or this type where you have a clamp that clamps to the body of the damper itself, and then you have the dampening knob right here. So all what you have to do is that you can use the 3 holes that come in here on the Raptor chassis. I use the middle one. You can use either one. I use the middle one here, and then I put a, what is it, like a 3 inches 8mm bolt right here. And then what you have to do is just to kind of bolt it on right here, and then all what you have to do is to pull out the steering stem, which is very easy. Just take the gas tank a little bit to the back. You can also disconnect the stuff, and then you take it completely out, and then you can pull the stem out, and then you just have to weld like a 2-inch plate out of a scrap metal, and then just put a bolt on it. It's an 8mm bolt. That's all what you have to do, and then you can just bolt it. What is it, like 1.5 to 2 inches from the bottom. You can just angle it out, and then you just see how it fits. And then you just want to make sure that you go through the steering sweep without touching your brake lines or your chassis, which it does that. It doesn't do that, which is fine. And yeah, it worked flawlessly. So you have to do the dampening from here. The other thing is that you can remove it completely without doing anything major to the bike. You could do it easily if you have a clamp that clamps to the steering stem instead of welding to it. But hey, I just weld because I'm cheap, so you can do that. If you don't want to remove the steering stem, you can just find a clamp that does the same thing. So yeah, this is under 30 bucks, and it works phenomenally on all bikes. But this is for the Raptor 700. So instead of spending $400 or $500 for a damper, you can just do that, and it works 70% to 80% of the top dollar dampers on the market. So try both. This is the most cost-effective way of doing it.